Shruti here, and today I bring for you all a makeup tutorial. In this video, I am going to cover all the basics and all the tips and tricks I know to make that perfect wing liner. Even if you are starter or beginner with makeup, आप इन जो steps हैं इनको follow करके बहुत ही आसानी से वो perfect wing liner जो है बना सकते हो. Not only that, I am going to show you a simple trick which will make your liner smudge proof and your liner is going to last all day as well. So let's get started with the video. My first tip is to have a small mirror. This will give you more control and you can change the direction of your mirror, and you don't have to change the direction of your head. You just need to change the direction of the mirror, and you can see very small detailing or whatever you are doing, you can see it perfectly with a small mirror. Now to line my upper lash line, I have my Kajal pencil here and I will start drawing from the center of my lid. Now this will give you more control, because when you start drawing, sometimes it happens that you don't know what the consistency of your Kajal pencil is going to be. Is it going to be very कि बहुत जल्दी से स्लिप हो रही है या धीरे से स्लिप हो रही है, तो वो हमें पता नहीं होता है. तो जैसे हम सेंटर से स्टार्ट करते हैं तो कोई मेस नहीं होता है. बट इफ़ यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द इनर कॉर्नर ऑफ योर आई, देयर इज़ अ हाई चांस कि आप जो है मोटा कर दो अपने लाइनर को. सो दैट्स व्हाई ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सेंटर. Now for lining the inner corner of your eye, make sure you are keeping your mirror a little down and look downwards and then draw the line. What it's going to do is, it is going to show you where exactly you are lining your lid and what's the area. Because जब हम सामने से जो अपनी आई पेंसिल से अगर ऐसे करते हैं तो हमें दिखता तक नहीं है कि जो कहाँ हम बना रहे हैं. तो दैट्स वाई अगर हम नीचे की तरफ देखते हैं तो हमारी पेंसिल भी हमें दिखती है और साथ ही साथ हमारी जो लिड है उसका एरिया भी हमें साफ साफ दिखता है कि कहाँ हम लाइन बना रहे हैं. If you like round shape eyes, you can keep it as it is, just like करीना कपूर का जो काजल लुक है वो ऐसे ही होता है. But I will show you how to create a wing liner as well, because it looks really beautiful and it elongates your eyes. ये आपकी eyes को बड़ा बनाता है और बहुत ही सुंदर सा एक shape देता है. For this I'm using my Vega Eye Liner brush and same Kajal pencil से I'm just picking a little bit of this product. For making the wing liner, you need to start from the outer corner of your eye, this point, और फिर आप you can make this liner as long as you want. Here I am creating small dots just to make sure I am on the track. और जब मैं दोनों दूसरी तरफ जो है अपना लाइनर लगाऊंगी तो it is going to be exactly similar. So that's why I'm making that dots, because it's going to make it very easier for me to make a wing. So first dot बनाया, second dot and my last dot. यहाँ तक मुझे विंग लाइनर बनाना है. So सबसे पहले तो मैं एक लाइन बना लूँगी by joining all the three dots. Now after drawing this line, I am going to fill this gap right here. Now we have two lines here. First is this one and the second one is this one. Now I'm going to make a dot half a centimeter away from the outer corner of our eye. इसका मतलब है कि इस पॉइंट से हाफ सेंटीमीटर की दूरी पर मैं एक पॉइंट बनाऊंगी over here. तो ये है हमारा डॉट. अब हम क्या करेंगे कि now I'm going to join this point and this point together by creating a line. और आप देख सकते हो कि हमारा विंग बन गया है. अब बस इसको जो गैप्स हैं उसमें मैं अच्छे से जो है इस लाइनर को I will fill that. Now I'm going to define this liner by making it a little bit more sharp, because that's how I like my liners. But if you want, you can keep it as it is. You can totally skip this step. But मुझे पसंद है कि मेरे लाइनर जो है वो ऐसे फेड होए और लगे कि एक शार्प, बहुत ही शार्प विंग है. So I'm using the same brush and technically there is no more product left on this brush. But I'm going to stretch my eye like this. This will give you more control while you are creating very sharp wing. And then I am, just going to flick this liner upwards. So you can see it's just fading away and it's looking really beautiful. Now I'm going to apply Kajal pencil to my lower lash line and I will show you how you can keep it smudge proof. दिन भर आपका ये जो Kajal pencil है वो टिका रहेगा और बिल्कुल भी smudge नहीं करेगा या फैलेगा नहीं. So first of all, I am using the same brush. You can use a pencil or anything, any kind of this kind of object you have. And then I'm going to stretch the area like this. that I can reach to my lower waterline, या फिर जो lower waterline है उसमें अच्छे से काजल लगाने के लिए, because ऐसे लगाते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं वो नीचे को फैल जाता है. So that's why I am stretching my eye like this, and you can see कितने साफ तरीके से काजल लगा है. Now take a black eyeshadow or any dark color eyeshadow you have. I'm going to use a sponge tip applicator. If you don't have this one, you can use a Q-tip as well. Now I'm going to press this eyeshadow on my Kajal pencil. And this is going to make your Kajal pencil smudge proof throughout the day. Because the Kajal pencil we used is made of two main ingredients, and the first one is a pigment जो कि इसको काला रंग देता है, and the second thing is a binder जो कि इसको ये स्लिपरीनेस देता है ताकि ये आराम से स्लिप हो जाए इस पे और लग जाए. और जब हम ये ब्लैक कलर का जो आई शेडो पाउडर होता है जो कि ड्राई होता है इस काजल पेंसिल के ऊपर लगाते हैं, तो जो भी उसमें स्लिपरीनेस होती है या फिर जो भी हल्का सा भी गीलापन उसमें होता है वो ये पाउडर लगाने की वजह से सूख जाता है. इस वजह से जो हमारी काजल पेंसिल है वो दिन भर टिकी रहती है और बिल्कुल भी यहाँ से वहाँ नहीं होती. So that's it for today's video. If you want me to create more these kinds of videos in future, then hit on that like button, and if you want me to create a full video on how to apply false lashes, just comment below. Thanks a lot for watching. I will meet you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. And don't forget to hit on that subscribe button because it really means a lot to me.